Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that good old subscribe button down below so you can join the squad and all of that good stuff. I mean, it's like, why not? Why wouldn't you want to join the squad? Yeah? Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? What are you missing? What? Click that subscribe button right there. Also, turn your bells on if you want to be notified every time your girl posts a video. And yeah, you will be notified. It's free. I mean, come on, just get into it. Just do it. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of makeup products that I have bought with my own coins, okay? It's makeup that you might have seen reviews on, that's new, that's old, or whatever. But I have purchased this recently, and I mean, you have not seen a review from me and got my scoop on it all. So I'm just bringing this video to you guys today. And if you guys want to see my unboxing makeup haul, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I have is the Juvia's Place palette. And this is what the Juvia's Place palette looks like. This is the box of it and all of that stuff. And it has all the details and what, you know, the products that's inside of it and all of that good stuff. I did order it from Juvia's Place, so I have the box. I'm going to open it up. And I did open it already to see if I got my right stuff. I ain't going to lie. But I did not like swatch it and all of that stuff. So this is what it looks like. And when you open it, this is what the colors are looking like. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes and 3 shimmers. This is a shimmer, this is a shimmer, and this is a shimmer, and all the other ones are mattes. And this is pretty cute. You could do so many looks with this palette or whatever. And it's just really cute. Like, you have that little neutral brown right there. You have that, you know, the 2 colors that you can do some really stuff with. Me personally, when I get this palette, I would like probably mix it with other palettes, but if I want to just use this one palette, I will use either this shade or this shade is my transition color, and if I'm just doing something natural with like a pop of color. But if I want to do like, you know, a beat that's like dramatic with a lot of color in it, I'll probably go in with one of these colors as my transition. I never know. You never know. The Zulu by Juvia's Place. That's what it's called. That's it for that palette. Next, I have another Juvia's Place palette. I have the Magic Mini palette. And this is what the boxing is looking like right here. Looks cute. I just like how they be having those. They makeup be beat, y'all. Like, look how beat these makeup. This makeup is beat on her. Beat to the gods, okay? Yeah, it's pretty packaging. I like the way it looks and all of that good stuff. Also, when you open it up, this is what you're getting here. You get some colors in there, sis. You get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes, and then all the rest of them are shimmers. All the ones that you can use as like a transition, well, that I would want to use as a transition, are mattes. So that's perfect. You know what I'm saying? And this palette is bomb, you guys. I would just use this whole palette for a whole look. Like, yeah, I like it. So the next palette is one of, I guess it's a sort of kind of new Morphe palette. And I did just add this to my haul, but I had got this when it first came out. I think it first came out like in November. I believe it was November when it first came out, but that's when I first got it, and I just got it with this haul, and I just let my products build up. This is one of the palettes that I'm showing you guys, and it is the Morphe 15S Social Butterfly palette. And this is what the boxing looks like. Very nice, very pretty. And when you take it out, this is what you get. You get you a little nice Morphe palette right there. So, this is what you get when you open that. This is what the palette is looking like, and it has some pretty colors in here, you guys. Look at the whole bottom row right here, and this. Like, I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to dig into this palette. Like, y'all know I love Morphe, but I really cannot wait to dig into this palette. Like, let me just do a little swatch of this swatch. This. I can't be putting all the swatches on me right now, y'all, because your girl has to go do something today. I already got my clothes on. But look at this palette. Oh my gosh. Yes. Look at this green. I am obsessed with that blue that I had swatched. Look at that. Ooh, y'all know I love me some blue. But yeah, that palette is popping.
Oh, it's popping.
Nah. But that palette is popping, y'all. They had like a sale at Ulta, and I did give me some lippies, and this is what it's looking like. You open it. It's from Dose of Colors. It's the Let's Get Toasty Mini Matte Liquid Lipstick. So I love me a matte lip, as you know. I always had that matte lip, that matte pinks and all of that. And these are very cute, you guys. I'm not lying. I cannot wait to dig in these lippies. Oh my gosh. Like, put that brown lip liner on these. Baby, Kardashian who? Nah. But these like really do remind me of the Kim Kardashian lipsticks. Like her matte collection. This do remind me of that. Like, I ain't gonna even lie. That's why I said that.
No shade, no shade.
I have been very obsessed with the Milani Stay Put Matte 17-hour wear liquid line. So this is what it looks like, you guys, and I do have it on right now, and I will insert a picture with me with this on, or a video or whatever. When you put it on or whatever, it does dry quickly, you guys, and it dries matte down or whatever. But I'm very obsessed with these. Like lately I have been very obsessed. I think it was like $7 in my drugstore. Like, why not? That's like the shit right now. That's one of my go-to matte liners right now. I'm not even joking. I'm very supportive of people, you know, whether I know you or not. One of the YouTubers who is my favorite is Lakia Star, and she came out with her own nude lipstick, and I will show you guys what it looks like. And I did take a picture with this lipstick on. I will insert a picture or a video or both to show y'all. So this is what the boxing is looking like right here, and then it has her name, and it's like a little marble on it, and then at the back it has all the ingredients in the product and all of that good stuff. And it's, she did like a collaboration, but it's her lipstick, but she did like a collaboration with IGXOcosmetics.com. I guess they call it Ignox or something, cosmetics. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. It still has the marble, everything. And then this new lipstick, you guys, obsessed with it. This is bomb. It has her name on here. It is bomb. Like, girl, when she said she came out with the perfect nude lipstick, baby, this is the perfect nude lipstick. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm not even hyping her because she my favorite or nothing. Like, because I'm going to let y'all know. I give y'all the juice, okay? This lipstick, I put that on. I had that on all day. I did not have to apply it again, not one time. It did not dry like, you know how matte lipsticks dry and crack your lips? It didn't do none of that. Like, none of that. Baby, it's like the perfect lipstick. I didn't have to go over it with no gloss. Some people liked it because I did put on like a matte and put some gloss over it, because that matte lipstick that I had on, I had the NYX lingerie, it kind of dry out my lips, and I ain't going for that. But that one that I put on, like, sis, it was everything. Like, that one was everything. Like, I didn't have to apply it over. None of that. Y'all better go ahead and get it. I will link it down below for you guys who want to purchase. Don't worry. Also, link her channel because y'all need to check her out because she bomb. And baby, when I put that lipstick on and I tagged her on my Instagram, baby, she called me on there and told me I was a baddie. No, but she did. I was just so happy, baby. That made my day. I love her so much. That just made my day. Y'all understand. Another one is from Flutteredbyro, and I want to give a shout out to B. Marie, and I will link her channel down below for you guys to check her out because she's bomb as well. She's another YouTuber, beauty YouTuber. She always like promoting their glitters and all of their stuff on her Instagram, and she always working with them on her channel as well. And she do some bomb looks, y'all. Like, no lie, she do bomb looks. So I just ordered me 5 of them. They were $1. I should have got way more than this, but I don't know. I was kind of like, And then I wanted to get 3 of the unicorn kinds, but they only had 1 in stock, and I had that one in my cart. And I tried to go back and click and get another one. They was like, oh, we're low on stock. Oh, someone has just purchased the last few, so I can only get 1. But this is what they came in. They came in this little package or whatever. And then you take it out, you get like a little clear bag. And like, I will just show you guys what this is looking like. So this one is, I believe, supposed to be like the unicorn one. And this one is like sour punch, I believe. And this was like a nighttime. Y'all know, I don't remember these damn names. Hell, I'll link them below. But this one, they are so cute. Oh my god. This, when I ordered this, I thought this was like a rose gold pink, but it's really like a Barbie looking pink. I was like, oh, I should have got like the other one that I knew was rose gold. They had the name rose gold on it. But it's still bomb, and I mean, I still like it. And I can't wait to do some fire looks with it, period. Y'all should check them out for real. They had $1. Baby, each one of these was $1, and you get a lot of product in it. You ain't finna slap all this glitter on your eye in one day anyway. You get a good amount for the price. And they very pigmented, baby. Because I didn't watch so many tutorials with her doing it and using that stuff, and they bum. Like, they got a lot of variety of different glitters. Like, they got the chunky ones. I should have got some chunky ones. I think I'm gonna go back and get some chunky ones. But yeah, I just picked up those. They have this place called Miss A, and everything's $1. And I had went there or whatever, because they did put one inside of the mall over here, and I had went there and everything is $1. And I picked up just some brushes. And I also picked up like a highlight that I showed y'all in my Christmas video or whatever. When I was doing Christmas makeup, I had used it and I showed you guys about it and everything. That was cute. That was bomb. I had picked up that, and then I went and picked up like these dollar brushes or whatever. And this is what the brushes look like. This is like a crease brush, like where you can do a cut crease. This other one is like a little flat brush, and this one is like a I don't know what y'all use this for, but I use this kind of brush for like getting in that contour right there. That's what I use that for. And then I had used this one, so that's why this one is open. I had used this one or whatever, but it's just like a big crease brush. And I bought like a ebony brow pencil. It's like a sculpting brow pencil, but I have not used it or whatever. I had already used some of my other stuff, and if I opened it already and started using it, I didn't want to add it to this haul. So I just added that brush, but if it was like makeup or whatever, I didn't want to add it to this haul. Okay, so I have one more product to show you guys, and it's super dope. And I got it from Ulta Beauty online, and it's a $48 deal, but I got it for $25, and it has that little sticker on there. But it's just their matte lipstick collection. This is their matte lipstick collection, and it just has like a lot of matte metallic lipsticks in here. It's crazy lit. And at the bottom, of course, they have all the products and stuff that they use to make it, ingredients and all of that stuff. And it's cool. This little thing is really cute. This little thing. And like, you can pull it out. I think I'm gonna open it for you guys. Ouch. These nails are really in the way today. You know what? I just took the whole thing off. Yeah. So yeah, this is what it looks like. All of these are metallics, and it's like 12 colors. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, it's like 12 colors in here. So you get a good amount for your price and all of that good stuff. And you can do some exotic, nice looking looks with this. So yeah, you guys, that includes my mini makeup unboxing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. Also, turn your bells on if you want to be notified. I mean, you know, it's free. Why not? Support your girl and all of that good stuff. Comment your thoughts down below. If you have any of these products and all of that stuff, let me know you're in on these. Let me know your comments and your thoughts on the products that I reviewed. Let me know your comments on the video, and if you would like more videos like this, my unboxing. And yeah, follow me on all my social networks. If you did not catch it on the screen, I have it in the description box down below. I think that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.